Congratulations! Here's your acceptance letter. You just got into Harvard.
Oh my god. Mom, Zoe, I'm going to Harvard. Oh my god, I'm so proud of you.
Elena, you're the best. I know you can make it.
Well, there's some glitch with the mail system. That's why the letter is late. We are very sorry about it. Elena, you are the first and the only person in the neighborhood to get accepted into Harvard. That's very amazing.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh my god.
You don't get a choice. Forget about college. Get your ass to work.
No.
From today on, your college dreams are over.
Dad, no, please, 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 no. No. Did you do this to me?
He's your father. He gave you life and brought you up. He can do anything he wants. Helena, stop being a selfish bastard and do something for the family.
Helena, grow up and stop whining like a little brat.
This is gonna stop me. I'm getting the hell out of here. You're never gonna control me again.
Think you're all growing up and can do whatever you want. Stop fooling around!
Fool around, Dad. Jaden does. He lies, he cheats, he gambles, and he always gets away with it. I think I don't know why. You're a goddamn junkie, and he's the one funding your habits. Look at you. Mess, Dad. You're a mess who only knows how to get high while we starve. We're broke. We don't have money for water. Why? Because every penny we get, you spend on drugs, Dad. You don't get to call yourself a father. I'm going to college. If you try to stop me, cut it ties with all of you.
Helena! Where the fuck you're going?
Shut up. Let me out.
Helena, we didn't want to push you too hard, but you're fucking running wild. And guess what? You're getting married to Hudson Knox tomorrow. He's rich and a good man. He'll treat you well.
I'm not marrying anybody. I'm going to college, okay? I'm going to college. Mom! Let me out.
Hudson Brooks! He's even older than you! Elena is only 18. How could you?
Shut the fuck up! What do you know? He's filthy rich and he's already paid us.
Grandma.
We're gonna marry. Please.
Listen up. Stay the fuck out of this. If you help her out, I'm gonna beat the hell out of you.
Mom, just stop crying already. Just think about it. If Elena marry Hudson, I'm gonna make bank out of that dude. We have a chance to get filthy rich here. Don't you see that?
That's my son. We'll live a good life. And Elena will know we've made the right decision.
Let me out.
Wake up! Elena is fucking gone!
Huh?
Go!
Hey! Stop there!
Stop. Elena. Just go. Go, Elena, go. I'll come back for you. I promise. Okay? I'll be back.
Just go, honey. Everything's gonna be great. You're gonna be a success. I believe you 100%. I miss you.
I miss you, Mom.
I love you.
I love you, Mom. I'll be back. I promise. I promise.
Hey! Stop!
No! Sorry! No!
Hey!
Mom, Zoe, I swear I'll make something of myself. And I'll come back for you.
Mr. Blake, this is the information of the founder of DramaCue company.
So the person who invented this hasn't graduated from college? Yo, she must be a genius. Time to stop the bidding for that confidential energy project. Sure, we've got the perfect candidate.
Hey, it's been a year since your daughter left home. Has she come back yet?
Not a trace of her.
Oh, actually, I saw her in a bad light this last year while I'm making a deliveries.
That's impossible. I sent her away from home to college.
It's not that you can see what she's doing out there. How will you know?
You hear that? While gossiping around, Helen is walking out there. Is this your daughter? You're proud of? Venus nothing but shame.
Hello, that's not true. Elena wouldn't do something like that.
Yes, Grandma. Elena wouldn't be a hooker.
People start her hooking. How could it be true? Helen is fucking her.
I won't believe that. Unless she comes back and tell to my face.
If she dares to come back and break her bones.
Under Elena's leadership, NovaCore Company has risen rapidly and become a legendary giant in the energy industry.
It's been 7 years. Mom, Zoe, how are you doing? The confidential project has been declassified. I'll come back for you as soon as my company is listed.
Ms. Garcia, the energy project you invested in, it is back in your hometown, and it has officially started today.
Good.
Oh, there's also some news about your sister.
About my sister?
She's getting engaged, and the party is today.
Engaged. She's only 18, she wouldn't get it. It must be my father. That jerk. I'm going back home.
But our company is getting listed, and you have a meeting with Mr. Blake.
Postpone the listing timeline and I'll call Ryan and cancel the meeting. Ryan, I'm sorry, I need to cancel our meeting. Something happened to my sister and I need to go back home.
What?
I gotta go. Prepare the car, please.
Okay, sure, madam. This project means everything to her. She would never have given up so easily. Something really bad must have happened to her family. Book me a flight.
Sure.
And tell Gary to take care of her.
All right.
Hey, quiet, knock it off! Yes, sir.
Hey, I've actually given you a case. Go.
Okay, sure. The president of NovaCore is coming. Now, if I can just make her happy, who knows what doors that can open for me.
Well, cheers, family.
Yeah, cheers. Cheers.
Congratulations.
Sheriff White, thank you for coming. It's an honor. Girls, please, move. Take a seat. Yeah. Guys, thanks for joining us. You all know I'm not one for big speeches. Let's make a toast to my daughter Zoe and her fiancé Rowan.
Me? I thought this was Jaden's engagement party.
Well, you're getting engaged to me.
Dad, what's going on?
The Bennetts practically own this place. And if you marry Rowan, well, we won't get hungry ever again.
Dad, I don't know him, and I won't get engaged to him. Mom, let's go. Mom.
That's enough. No one leaves before this party finishes.
You dumbass. Rowan, he's young, he's filthy rich, and he's willing to accept you. What more do you want?
Zoe, you're lucky to marry him. Okay, Rowan is rich. Just take the damn win and stop whining like a little girl.
He's just a jerk, that piece in the alley. I won't let my daughter marry him.
Shut the hell up and back off. So you must get engaged to Rowan.
When the hell is this party starting? I don't have all damn day.
Party starts now.
Over my dead body.